In this video, I will guide you on how to use a micro SD memory card on your TCL TV. Now over here, I do have a TCL Android TV, but whether you have the TCL Google TV or any other type of TCL TV, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and be able to access your micro SD memory card on any TCL TV you have. And before we proceed, you actually need to get an SD card reader for this to work out perfectly fine for you. The one I have with me actually has a USB dongle at the top, and over here it has both a slot for an SD card, and then at the bottom there is also a slot for a micro SD card as well. I'm going to be leaving a link to this in the description of this video. And once you have your micro SD memory card reader, you can now get your SD card or your micro SD card and then just insert it into the card reader, just like so. Now we are good to go. You want to proceed to connect this to any of the USB ports on your TCL TV. If your TV has more than one USB port, you can connect it to literally any of the USB ports. Now once you connect it to your TCL TV, you're going to see a pop-up on the TV letting you know that a micro SD memory card has been connected to the TV. But if you do not see any pop-up or notification like that, you do not have to worry. Now at this point, what you want to do is to locate for the media player app on your TCL TV. In some TCL TV, it is literally called media player. In some, it is literally just called media or multimedia player if you're using a TCL Google TV. And most times you will be able to find the media player app from the input source menu of your TCL TV. So if you go over to input source, you should be able to find the media player. Alternatively, you can actually find it as a separate application on its own. So if you come over to the list of apps, you can also find the media player app from over here. If you're unable to find the media player app, you can as well download any media player app from the app store of your TCL TV as well. As soon as you find the media player app, you want to go ahead and just open it up, and you should be able to find your micro SD memory card. Now this is mine. It is usually going to show as a USB. Also, if you're unable to find the name of your micro SD memory card from over here, you do not have to worry. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you a solution. But if you're able to find it, you can basically just open it up and be able to find all of your photos, your videos, and your files. I also have music as well. And if you go over to photos over here, you can also see some of the photos. You can actually view them directly from here if you want as well. But again, if in your case you're unable to find your micro SD memory card after connecting it using your micro SD card reader to your TCL TV, usually the cause of this is the fact that your micro SD memory card is not formatted at MS-DOS FAT32. For your micro SD memory card to be recognized by the TCL TV, it has to be formatted at MS-DOS FAT32. And while some micro SD memory cards are already formatted at FAT32, some are not. But the process of doing it is quite simple. You just have to connect your micro SD memory card to a laptop or a PC. Once it shows up on your laptop or PC, you just want to right click on it and then select on format. Choose the format type to be FAT32, and you can go ahead and load it with all of your photos, videos, then insert it into your TCL TV again, and that should fix the problem for you. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.